You guys, the Liberty Walk is a mini G class. Now, the Liberty Walk is the type of tuner that exists to please everybody. Now, if a tuner exists, there's no Liberty Walk that's more controversial than what we see here. And what they do is take beautiful classics and cut it up and make it into something special. Take a look at this. This baby is a mini G class, and it looks fantastic. Now, the Japanese tuner has been toying with off-roaders, most recently with the Jeep Wrangler. And what a fantastic job. Now they're looking at the Suzuki Jimny, an epic little off-roader that you may know as a baby G class. and boy, do they do a good job with looking like the baby G class. And it looks like the one thing about it is that it looks like quality. It's just not. It's not cheap. And they do a good job with it. Now the new kit takes their inspiration from Stuttgart's classically shaped box of an SUV. Now when it comes to front grille and bumper, not to mention the side exhaust tips. Look at the side exit exhaust tips. That is sharp. Now it's not cheap. $6,500. And that's we're just talking about the fender flares. On the regular hood, and that'll bring the price to below $5,800. Now take off the hood attachment, and you'll only spend around $3,200. Or you can spend the same on just the bumper grill and the fender flares. This is sharp. The Liberty Walk. Now they're talking about custom headlights and subtle window shades, stainless exhaust system, and it lets people know that you're arriving and that you want to see their faces so they can figure out what you're driving. That's how awesome this looks. People will be wondering, and you will look classy. Classy is all get out. Liberty Walk. This is just straight up awesome. You got the nice embroidered seats. You got the Liberty Walk steering wheel, which looks epic and nice at that. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And have a fantastic day.